In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Before we begin, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro installed and the image or PDF you want to turn into a stamp saved somewhere easy to find. A clean, high-contrast graphic works best. If you want a transparent background around your design, a PNG file is a great choice, while a vector-style PDF will keep edges crisp at any size. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device and give it a moment to fully load. Then open the PDF you want to work with. You can use File, then Open from the menu, or simply drag and drop your file into Acrobat. While you can prepare your stamp without a specific document open, having one up makes it easier to preview tool changes as you go. Next, look to the global bar and click All Tools. In the Tools panel, select Add a Stamp. If you don't see it immediately, use the search field and type Stamp, then choose Add a Stamp from the results. This opens Acrobat's stamping workspace where you'll find both built-in stamps and options to create your own. At the top of the window, on the secondary toolbar, click Custom Stamps and choose Create. This tells Acrobat you're bringing in your own artwork rather than using a default template. A dialog box will appear guiding you through the import. Click Browse in the pop-up dialog to locate the file you want to use as your stamp. Navigate to your image or PDF and confirm you've selected the right version. This is a good moment to check resolution and transparency if your design has fine lines or a logo edge you want to keep clean. Select your file, click Open, and then click OK. Acrobat will import the artwork and prepare it to behave like a stamp you can reuse across documents. In the next window, you'll organize how your stamp will appear in the picker. You'll be prompted to categorize your stamp so it's easy to find later. Choose an existing category, such as Standard Business or Sign Here, to place your stamp with similar items. This is handy if your stamp serves a similar purpose to Acrobat's defaults. Alternatively, type a brand new category name, something like Company Logo or Project Approvals, so your custom stamps stay grouped in a way that matches your workflow. Finally, type a clear, descriptive name for your stamp and click OK. Consider including details like color, department, or version in the name to avoid confusion later. That's it. Your custom stamp is now saved and ready to use whenever you access the stamp tools in Acrobat Pro, organized exactly where you placed it.